Today we will discuss file in Python. There are two types of file. One is a text file, another is a program file. So that is what we are writing a program in Python, that is a program file. But through this program file we create a text file. Actually files normally are required because we can store the data for future. Otherwise it will be in memory and it will go away when you switch off the computer. So the output is stored in a file, and that is what we need, the how to create file in Python. So I think it is clear why need of file. Okay. Every operating system has certain commands in it. So it is a multi-operating system. Import OS. Wherever you are using it will work accordingly. So now I'll explain you what I am doing in order to create a file. First thing, what you want to write in a file, let us make it ready before we write into the file. So the first statement is print, enter a text, whatever text you want to enter. Press \E in order to terminate it, to exit it. So single apostrophe is to be printed because of backslash. This backslash will be printed because of the another backslash and another single. So you will get it when you run it in a single apostrophe. We create an array list. The name of list is len. I will short form of line, something like that. I is equal to 1. So now I want to enter a string IP input equal input line number 1 stri and t tab. So the space should be there wherever you will put the string. Now I call a loop while IP not equal \c. So loop will continue until unless I enter \c in order to exit. Now I want to add to list len.append whatever I have entered in IP, that is string. So len.append means add at the end, it is a beginning. Now in I value increased to 1, I is equal to I plus 1. Another input, it is again in the while loop, I is 2, again you input the another string and append, add to the len array. Keep going until unless you press the \E. What you have done, you want to know what is in my len, print len. Suppose I have entered line number 1, how is Python? Line number 2, how is COVID-19? Line number 3, good day. And line number 4, I have given \E. So the whole string, in 3 strings, they go to the array, this list. In a square bracket it is being shown. Fine. So that line is ready, which consists 3 words in it, 3 sentences in it. Fine. Now I want to store it in a file. So what I do, in order to use a file, first that file must be open. So the syntax is open. It has 2 arguments, parentheses. One is the file name, another is the mode of opening a file. So the file name is, I have used E drive and Python program \, the name of the file in which I want to save is lines.txt and I want to open it in a write mode. Okay. Write mode means output onto the file in a disk. Fine. And F, it stores in it. Now I will use F in order to refer to the file. All operation possible when the file is opened. So my point is I have already made the line ready. F dot write is a method. F dot write lines. There is no write line. There is a write lines. That is very important. Right? F dot write lines. What? LIN. Fine. So that is now written onto your disk. In the file name lines.txt, whatever the name of the file you give it, and then you can close it. So we can enter any number of lines. We have already done that. Now the file is closed. Now no operation will take place. F.close. Now again we want to see what is written in a file. I want to read it. So again I use F is equal to open. Same file name what I have written, but I will mode is now read. Now I want to open the file in read mode. I want to read from a file, text file. Alright. So what happens? I have used for loop for L in f dot read line. Here is a read line and lines both are here. Fine. I want to read a line. For I, for L, line in f dot read line colon. Print. Now I want to output on the screen whatever is being read. What? L, the line it has read, ends with a space. And again loop. It will read the file until unless it encounters end of file. Until unless it encounters end of file. That is the last. That is the value which -1 basically. EOF. Then it read another line until the moment it encounters the end of a file it comes out and then closes the f.close file. So this is the output. Character by character here it is reading. I will discuss further. I am enclosing a program file with all explanation about file and others which I will attach in your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.